Good morning mga kaibigan at mga kababayan. Isang magandang umaga sa inyo lahat. This is Coach Ernie once again, your founder of the Lions Group International, one of the fastest growing group doing live good business in the Philippines. And I am based in Cebu, so to those who are based in Cebu, you can keep in touch with me so that should you decide to be part of this amazing company, Live Good company, I would be very much willing also to be of help to build your business. Okay, so in this video mga kaibigan, mga kababayan, I'm going to share with you some of the misconception, networking business misconception. Very important na ma-share ko ito sa inyo dahil alam na po natin na ang dami pong mga kababayan natin na nagkaroon pa ng mga misconception about this business. So in this video, video mga kaibigan at mga kababayan, I'm going to share with you some of the misconception. Ilan lang. So ang dami diyang mga misconception, but allow me to just share some of the misconception about networking business. And I do hope na with this misconception, at least magkaroon kayo ng awareness and enlightenment that truly networking business is really amazing business endeavor. It's really, I would say, it's amazing. Why? Because there are hundreds of thousands of Filipinos out there na nag-improve ang kanilang buhay by doing network business. That's why very important na sa aking mga kababayan at mga kaibigan, kung saan ka man ngayon, sa ating mga minamahal na OFW na you've been working outside our country for many years, then you came back again, ubos yung pera mo, dala-dala mo yung pera, balik ka na naman doon. So very important to. Why is it na nagtatrabaho pa rin sila sa abroad? It is because of course dito sa Pilipinas kulang na kulang yung income nila, and there are still hundreds of thousands of OFWs out there, hundreds of thousands of Filipinos out there, OFW working abroad, na hindi pa nila alam or hindi nila naintindihan masyado ang networking business. Ano ba talaga yung mga misconceptions sa networking business? And this video, I do hope and pray na mapaliwanag ko sa inyo some of those misconceptions about networking business. Okay, mga kababayan at mga kaibigan. So, let's dig first, ano ba yung networking business misconception? Una, yung tinatawag na sinasabi nila na it's a waste of time. Yung pagninegosyo mo sa networking is just a waste of time. Well, kung yan ang pag-iisip mo kaibigan at mga kababayan, kung ang mga ginagawa mo, kung ikaw, you've tried your life doing network business and you believe or you think na it's just a waste of time, then the problem is your mindset. Dapat dito sa negosyo, you treat this not just you treat this business as not a waste of time, because every day when you talk to people, you are learning. So definitely yung misconception na yun na it's a waste of time, definitely it's not a waste of time, because every day you are talking to a lot of people, and every people that you talk, you are learning and yourself is improving, so hindi ito waste of time, because time will come when you just keep on doing your business, just keep on doing your networking activities, there would be a result later on. So yung misconception na yun na yung networking business is just a waste of time is definitely not a waste of time. Second, yung sinasabi nila na networking is only for extrovert. Ano ba yung extrovert? Yung pala kaibigan. Mga kaibigan at mga kababayan, ang daming mga umasenso ngayon, ang daming mga umasenso na mga kapwa natin Filipinos na nung nag-join sila, they can still remember nung nag-join sila sa networking business, sila ay mahihain. And dahil sa trainings, seminars that they attended, nagbago yung kaisipan nila, nagbago yung paningin nila sa buhay, naging confident sila sa sarili. So from introvert pa nung unang palang first 2 to 3 months or first 3 to 6 months sa kanilang pagninegosyo ng networking, ay hindi sila masyadong pala kaibigan. Nagkaroon na sila ng confidence sa sarili at naging pala kaibigan na sila. So this misconception na yung networking business is only for those extrovert is definitely no. So lahat ng klase ng tao, ma-introvert ka man, mahiyain ka man, or mga, although it's a plus factor, may advantage ka kung extrovert ka or pala kaibigan ka. Pero it doesn't mean na yung mga hindi pala kaibigan, hindi na magbabago ang buhay nila doing network business. So yun mga kaibigan, mga kabayan, yun ang isang pangalawang misconception na networking business is only for the extrovert. Pangatlo is yung networking is selfish. Actually mga kaibigan at mga kababayan, hindi siya selfish because there's a saying in this industry that we love, na you can only be successful in this networking business when you help a lot of people succeed. So when you help a lot of people succeed, meaning to say, you would be successful also. When your people succeed, you also succeed. So this is not selfish. Networking business is not a selfish. So mali po yun, yung misconception na yun na networking business is selfish. Everybody wins in this business. Marami tayong matutunan. Lahat ng mga kasama mo, mga downlines mo yung tinatawag, pag naging successful sila, ikaw din maging successful. Okay? Pang-apat is networking is only for close contact. Kumbagang they believe na pag ninegosyo ng networking, limited lang yung contacts mo kasi yung mga kakilala mo lang. It's a misconception. It's no. Lahat ng kakilala mo, of course, isa na yon ang mga prospect mo. But it doesn't mean na hanggang doon na lang. Hanggang doon ka na lang. No. Lahat ng mga tao na nangangailangan ng products and services mo is your prospect. So hindi lang limited sa yung mga kakilala. So this is one of the misconception sa networking business na kunti lang ang mga kakilala ko, that's why hindi ako maging successful. In fact, right now mga kaibigan, mga kababayan, maraming naging successful sa Live Good Company, no? Na yung mga leaders nila is hindi pa Filipino. In fact, dito sa Live Good may top earner tayo dito na yung mga leaders nila is from Indonesia, from Vietnam. May mga foreigners na naging downlines nila. So hindi na nakilala yon. Why is it na nag-join sila sa company? It is because of you na nakita nila sa social media and you are promoting this business and they believe on this business and they keep in touch with you, they join. Hindi mo naman sila kakilala or close contact. So mali po yung sinasabi na networking business is only for close contact. Yan ang isa sa mga misconception. Okay? So, panglima is yung sinasabi nila na networking is expensive. I would say it's cost effective because in this business talagang mag-i-invest po kayo para sa sarili ninyo, attending seminars, buying products, of course, be a model of the products and services that your company is offering. So yun, so it's not actually expensive but it is an investment, to describe the right word. No, it's not expensive but it's an investment. When you do your networking business, you're investing for your future, for your dreams. Okay, last but not the least mga kaibigan, mga kababayan, is yung sinasabi nila na networking business will lead you to immediate success. No, it's not immediate success. It takes time. It takes time. And 3 to 5 years, I do believe marami tayong magiging successful sa negosyong ito na in 3 to 5 years, doon na nagkaroon sila ng resulta. So kung ikaw ay 1 year pa lang sa business, pagpatuloy mo. Kung 2 years ka pa lang at wala ka pang nakikita masyadong magandang resulta, pagpatuloy mo lang. Kasi in 3 to 5 years, pagpatuloy mo lang yung mga activities, marami kang kinakausap, mga kaibigan, mga kababayan, magbunga din yun yung mga tinanim mo. Dahil within 3 to 5 years, pag magkaroon ka lang ng continuous effort sa iyong negosyo, talagang makukuha mo yung mga tinanim mo at yan ay magbubunga na yan. Yun ang networking business, mga kababayan at mga kaibigan. So that's why pagpatuloy mo lang kung ano yung mga nasimulan mo. 1 year, don't give up, don't easily give up, kasi you look forward within 3 to 5 years, talagang gawan mo ng paraan dyan lahat itulo mo na para within 3 to 5 years with the focus and concentrated efforts in doing your offering your products and services to your prospects, magkakaroon ka talaga ng resulta. So once again mga kaibigan, mga kababayan, this is Coach Ernie, just follow my Facebook profile, and also I want you to subscribe also to my YouTube channel, Coach Ernie Vlog. And for sure, for those also interested in doing home online, it's an online home business, I would encourage you, I would invite you to be part of this, to be part of our community, which is Live Good business. It's an American company, nasa pioneering stage pa lang tayo. So to those who are yet to decide, and to those who are looking for an online home business na mura lang i-maintain, dahil ang maintenance niya, it will only cost you 590 pesos, at yung lifetime membership mo is only about 2,900 pesos. Magkaroon ka na ng online home business. So once again, I want to invite you to join, to be part of our community. We're still on the pioneering stage. If you are from Cebu, if you are from Mindanao, any parts in Visayas and Mindanao, and if you are from Luzon, mga kababayan natin, mga Bisaya, mga Bisdag, if you are from OFW, so keep in touch with me in my Facebook. You can also join right away. I will give you my link tour in Live Good. It's www.livegoodtour.com/audax. Just put your name and email address and click join. Then you can use your ang madali dito mga kaibigan, mga kababayan, dahil kahit saan ka man, basta online ka, mayroon kang wifi, mayroon kang internet, you can join the company and you can do the business. Because gamitin mo lang yung GCash card, basta Mastercard or Visa, even GoTime card, pwede na. Credit card, pwede. You can join. So once again, mga kaibigan, kababayan at mga kaibigan kong minamahal, this is Coach Ernie. Bye for now and God bless.